Hi, Supper here. I've got a question for you. Do you do teleportation in your testing? So I will define that because I'm fairly confident we made it up a couple of years ago. So what we mean by test teleportation is when you skip over the standard user steps, just the typical click this, fill in this, click that kind of steps that a user would do to get you straight to the end state. So what you might do is, let's take registration as an example. You may seed the user by like posting to an API and get using the response from that. Know how to set a local storage cookie to basically immediately log in. So you just post, set a local storage, refresh, and you're in the account, as opposed to going to register, filling in all the different fields, clicking the button, going to the email, clicking the confirm email address, then going to the site, potentially then having to log in and then being at that point. Do you do that? Do you agree with it? We're kind of against it. We have a sort of like a soft, we consider it an anti-pattern, as a sort of like, kind of like a soft no. There are exceptions to all rules, and probably that's a good place to sort of like be with a subject like this. Nothing too hard, but we do avoid it. Our philosophy is as simple as it's only going to add a few seconds or maybe a minute onto your test. And let's say you've got 25 variants going through this and you've got 25 runners, that's still only 1 minute that has actually been kind of, you could say, wasted. But what you're actually doing is just testing the site much more thoroughly. So there are pros and cons. I can definitely understand an argument for, we do teleportation when we're just trying to make sure the delete account component works, and we need to seed accounts, we need to be logged in, and we need to check that. So it's kind of like a component test. But still, I kind of feel like with branching and grouping, it's just generally easier and better to not do it. So anyway, that's my views. What's your views? I really want to get involved in the comments on this one. Thanks. Let me know.